Okay, lately I've been into shapes on the guitar, symmetrical shapes going across the fingerboard somehow. Um, so I usually play this type of, well, you can call triangle or something. So I play C sharp, A, G, E, maybe over an A7, which is just A7 arpeggio. So I have 9th fret first string, 10th fret second string, 8th fret second string, and 9 on the 3rd string. So it's that shape. Second finger, 3rd finger, 1st finger, 2nd finger. Now I usually move that by minor thirds over a dominant chord. So A7, off the 9, flat 9, off the 7. And that A7 going to D resolves to the 5th. Okay. Then the other day I was playing E minor 7 flat 5 to A7. And then I saw that's the same type of shape over an E minor chord, E minor flat 5 chord on the inside strings. So then if I do that going across the fingerboard, starting on B flat on the 4th string, so I have 2, 1, 3, 2 on the fingering there. I'm playing B flat, D, E, G. So if I have 2 beats of E minor 7 flat 5 and 2 beats of A7, I could play the same shape a fret higher across the string, so a tritone away. So over the minor 7 flat 5, it's flat 5, flat 7, root, and minor 3rd. On the A7, it's 5, flat 7, root, and 3. And then you resolve it to the D. You can do something like that. The G string keeps ringing, so you watch the technique. Okay, so that's a 2-5 lick going to D major. You could make it minor, just play an F natural. Okay, on the last note instead of F sharp. And dot da dot da dot. That's a typical jazz ending phrase. So that's a typical lick over E minor 7 flat 5 A7 to D major or minor. Then I just saw, what about if we extend that? So what about if I do it over like an E altered? Starting on an E note on the 5th string, same shape, same fingering pattern. So now I have root 3, flat 5, flat 7, flat 5, 7, sharp 9. Then I can resolve it to the A and to the D. So if I have a bar of E7, there goes my 4 8th notes. Alright, or can we just resolve it to A? Right? So if I want to resolve it to an A chord, an A major chord, again I would have to change the last shape. Put the major 7, or just play an A triad, or put the F sharp in. I would try to avoid that 7. Or you could explain that as a bluesy note, maybe. And then I end it the same type. Ba, 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 ba. So that can resolve to A. And you can take it one step further. Started on the B flat. We're still in a E altered. Flat 5, flat 7, root 3, and then I go from there. I can go to D. Right, resolve it to A. So that would be 6 beats over an E chord. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then go to the A. You can make it major or minor there. depending on the major third or minor third, you can resolve it to major or minor chord there. So again, it's just a shape that I see. Because it's symmetrical and you can theory it out, you can make the chords, make the notes work. So I'm seeing these shapes, and then I go and say, okay, where does it work on? It seems to work. It just again just seems to work out that that pattern. If I started on the root or the flat 5, will work over a dominant chord. I can do it on flat 5 here off the 4th string, and it's a -7 flat 5 going to an A7. You just want to make sure you resolve it, all right? I mean, you can play inside and out, but you got to resolve it. When you play outside, you got to bring it back in and resolve it. So that's the lick of the day, I guess. Shape of the day. Website is guitarhelper.net. I'll have a PDF up on it with tab. And try to stick it in to any of your solos.